Hello, everyone, and welcome to the club. How to become a metaverse millionaire. All right, so there are two strategies, and both of them are working okayish as long as you um, gather a good team on the first strategy. The second one, you invest early in some of these startups. Okay, so what I'm saying is the
From
best
such
thing
a distance make your heart
to have a look and learn, study a lot what's new, spy on your competition, have a look what do they do. All right, so my advice to you on the first thing, it's the first strategy. Create a token. You will need it for your game because in the future you want to create a game, okay, play to earn type of game, and then create an NFT collection. Make sure you may create two or three or four collections, but one of them it's gotta be um, very well connected to the game. Remember, play to earn. So invite your kids and your clientele to play and make money while they're doing it. All right. So create a token, create a collection minimum, and then link your NFTs, okay, to the game. And then remember that you got to be ready to integrate your game in the metaverse. All right. In the meantime, raise the money through the token that you got, sell it properly, promote it, raise some money, and hire a lot of animators, a lot of programmers. Grow your team. All right. Have a look at our teams. This is our collection of NFTs that will be part of the game that we're gonna um, deploy very soon, in a few months from now. And the name is the Shark of Wall Street, and it's a cute little game. Have a look at the website, the thesharkofwallstreet.app. All right. Um, this is the OpenSea. Have a look. You can go in here on OpenSea and look for Hedge 4. All right. And you will see our collection of NFTs. You can purchase them in here, and I promise you, we will give you a staking rewards in our tokens. We have Hedge tokens, HEJJ, and TSWS, the Shark of Wall Street tokens. So by holding these and send them to our vault on staking, if you do the staking, okay, every month we give you cool rewards. We give you an excellent return on these investments that you're making. So remember, go and have a look at our website, the Shark of Wall Street, and hedge4.ai. Remember, become a metaverse strategist. Okay, so remember another thing. We are the most undervalued metaverse and crypto team, okay? And we have this huge hunger, we have this drive to go from our prices today. Have a look our prices on PancakeSwap. Both our tokens are trading on PancakeSwap. We have this hunger and power to grow our token, and our token may go 100x up, even 1000x. Okay, have a look at our team. Just see the website and call us anytime for any questions. You have two telephone numbers in there. All right, and have a look. The team, it's here and it's growing. Dial our number, ask any questions. You can talk to some of our programmers in here. My name is Charlie. I'm here. I'm the CEO. Call me, ask me anything. The team is here and it's growing. All right. Remember, have a look in here. You got my WhatsApp numbers and a direct line. So that's kind of it. Thank you very much. And remember, Metaverse can make you a millionaire. Start early and invest early. Create your team if you want to do the first strategy, or invest early if you wanna, if you don't have the time for it, and if you wanna make soon your first $1 million. Thank you very much for your attention and have a profitable day.